Meaning of expletive.
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 Expletive. The term expletive is commonly used to describe a curse word or profanity, but it can also refer to a filler word inserted into speech or writing for emphasis or rhythmic effect. In grammar, an expletive is a word or phrase that serves no real purpose in a sentence, such as there in the sentence, "There is a dog in the yard." Expletives can add emphasis or clarity to language, but they can also be overused and detract from effective communication. In general, expletives should be used sparingly and purposefully for maximum impact.